So today's topic for the discussion is friendship, and it's a very nice topic. What do you say?
Yeah, sir, I think friendship is very nice topic and we are all familiar with this topic.
Okay. So what's your view? Do you believe in friendship?
Yeah, obviously, sir. I mean, I believe in friendship, but not all friendship. Like we have some true friend kind of in our life.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously, we are very friendly with our all friends, and we make friends. But few of them are very close. Few of them they become very close, and the friendship become true friendship.
Okay. So could you tell me how many are your close friends?
Okay, sir. Till now, I think I have only one close friends, and his name is Samrat. And we have been living in a paying guest PG since our bachelor first year.
Okay.
It's been around 6 years. We are
Okay.
living together.
Okay. So is he from your same locality where you live?
No, he is from the different district, and that is Murshidabad.
Okay.
And you might heard about Murshidabad. It's very, I mean, it's a historical place. There are a lot of historical like incident happened in Murshidabad also related. And I'm from the different district that is Howrah district in West Bengal.
Okay. Unfortunately, I know nothing about West Bengal. I haven't visited
Okay,
it in my entire life, and I haven't read anything about it as well. So I can't figure out where your district is and where your friends. Okay.
okay.
So you don't meet your best friend on the daily basis. So do you call him regularly?
Yeah, I mean, since lockdown started, I think we are not being together. But yeah, we call in a particular interval, like twice a week or thrice a week.
Okay. Does he
But
also
before this
speak?
lockdown, we were, yeah, sir.
Yeah. Does he also speak Bengali language?
Yeah, he's also a Bengali boy.
Okay. What I like about some states is those people who are living in a particular state, irrespective of their religion, culture, caste, they speak the same language in our country. For example, Kerala. Okay, if you go to Kerala, all the people belonging to different religions, whether he or she is a Muslim or Hindu or Sikh or Buddhist or Jain, anyone, okay, they speak only one language, and that is Malayalam. When it comes to West
Malayali.
Bengal, here people speak one language, okay, although they belong to different religions. So this is the beauty of some of these states in our country. But when it comes to Maharashtra and Gujarat, so you would see, you would observe in Maharashtra, Hindu people they speak Marathi, okay, generally, and Buddhists also speak Marathi in Maharashtra. It is their native language, and Muslims speak over here Urdu. Okay, Urdu is my native language, but there is no problem for me to understand, speak, and do anything in the Marathi language. Okay, but here is a difference between two communities. We speak different languages, even though we live in the same state. And in the same way, it happens in Gujarat. Some people speak Hindi over there as their native language, and some people speak Gujarati as their native language. So these are the states where there is a diversity in languages. But in West Bengal, in Tamil Nadu, and in Kerala, in these states and Bihar, all the religious people speak only one language, that is Hindi. So I love this kind of diversity, unity in terms of languages in different states. Yeah, I appreciate
Yeah,
that. Okay, so now, Mr. Saeed, let's come to another point. As you have mentioned, there are some bad friends. Okay, so have you ever experienced anything bad from your from any of your friends' side?
No, I think, sir, I haven't experienced any bad things from my friends, but sometimes uh, I felt that there are so many lack in support from our friend circle. So it
Okay.
happens like not all friends are like same or equal, and not all friends are come forward to help us or help to each other. Okay,
Mm.
so I think, yeah, it's happened, and few of them definitely very good. They are like a very true friend, like a brother. Okay, they always ready to help each other, and I also help to all my friends. So yeah, I mean, I haven't experienced any bad things from my friend circle.
Okay. Have you ever got cheated by any of your friends?
No, sir. I mean, in a very big scale, I haven't ever cheated from any friends, but it is very small scale. Like in school days, like it's very small incident happened, and it's happened with everyone. Okay, like some joking, some prank, and some this kind of thing, which is actually you can ignore. Like it's a very common thing in school days, so it's not a big scale cheating and all.
Okay, but there are some people who face cheatings from their friends. Like some friends, they borrow money and they never return. This is one kind of cheatings. Another kind of cheating is if there is a fight between two people, and one person is a friend of so and so, so he doesn't help him, and he doesn't try to compromise between those two people. So this is also one of the kinds of cheatings. So I have seen many people like this, but I haven't experienced in my entire life because I don't have friends. Okay, I spend my entire time at home, just studying, learning, teaching, writing books. That's it.
So what about when you were Mumbai for your studying? So then also you did not make any friends?
No, no, no. I did have friends at the time of my studies, but as
Yeah,
soon as I completed my studies, I got separated from all of my friends because we were from different districts.
yeah.
So,
It happens with everyone. Like after
yeah,
completion of studying and the course, I think we are only like we only introduce ourselves, or we only try to talk in social media only. Like social media only one option to communicate to each other.
yeah.
Maybe WhatsApp group and all. I have also many WhatsApp group in like I total I changed my three school in my school days, like from 1 to 12. There are only three school where I studied, then in college, then university. So there are five groups in WhatsApp,
Okay,
different with different friends.
okay. So now let's talk about distant friends. So, do you have some of your distant friends as well?
Yeah, sir. Like I have some friends from one friend, two, three friends from Bangladesh, and many friends from Indonesia. Okay, and I like to introduce, like I like to know their culture. They are like their educational system. Okay, and some of friends, obviously in our country, it's a very big country, different there are so many states, so I have many friends from outside of my state. Okay, some of friends from Kashmir, some of friends from Mumbai, some of friends from Andhra Pradesh, some of friends from Bihar, UP, some of friends from Punjab, Delhi also.
Okay.
So yeah.
So how did you make them your friends?
Sir, it also some friends made by by some educational group in Facebook,
Okay.
and some friends are made by online coaching. Okay, so like when I was preparing when I was preparing for a exam after in my final year of my bachelor, so I joined many WhatsApp group for discussion. Okay, so then we actually started discussion one to one, and then we become friends. And many friends, I got some friends from some application also that I already told you. There were one application I used to use that application for improve my English. So it was like around 2 to 3 years ago. So then also I made some friend for practice or for maybe for like discuss some things.
Yeah, so in this way you made so many friends.
Exactly. Not so many, sir. Like few, like outside of my state, like there are 10 to 12 only.
Okay, so now, Mr. Saib, I'm asking you a very crucial question over here. That there are some people who have a lot of friends, okay, and he tries to spend his entire day in the companionship or in the company of their friends, and in this way, they neither study nor they earn money. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So, what would you say about those people who just keep on wasting their time in the company of their friends?
Sir, like after this lockdown, when I went to Kolkata in the city of my university, and then also I spent a whole day with my friends. Means
Okay.
it's okay if you spend one day in a month, or after lockdown maybe you spend your entire day with your friends. But it should not be regular, right? Because we have our own work, we have our own profession, our own study. So we have to focus on our own like things, study, work, and others' family. So it's quite impossible to spend all the days per week in a week with friends.
Mm, yeah.
So
But
I think
yeah.
it's very kiddies things, the kiddo things like spend a whole day and each and every day with friends and hang out and other things. I think it has no meaning, or it is not beneficial for our life.
Okay. Um, I have seen so many people. They are best friends. Okay, and they share their secrets and confidential information with them. And sometimes there is a fight, quarrel, argument between those friends, and now they start revealing, okay, one another's confidential information and secrets to other
Yeah,
people. So how dangerous it is? What do you say?
exactly. Sir, as about as I know, like I also experienced these things with my friends. Like
Mm-hmm.
he used to say share all of his like family issues and all. And one day I told him like you should not share all these things with your friends, because
Mm.
people start judging after knowing your family condition, after knowing that you have a lot of problems in your life.
Mm.
Because it's a human being nature. I mean, human being nature is they always try to make friendship with some happy people, because they
Okay.
have their own problems. So whenever they see some happiness or some happy people or some people who are enjoying their life, they always try to introduce themselves, they always try to make friendship with them. So, and if you always like share your problem, your internal all things with friends, then people got some indication like, no, 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 I can't feel comfortable while making it, while I mean, like making friendship, or maybe while talking or spending time. And sometimes also, as you already told, like after fighting, people start revealing their own secrets. So we have to be very careful while sharing our own story, own issues, okay, with friends, because though some friends are very good, okay, and if you think that I have a very good bonding with my friends, then only go for it. Otherwise, you should not share all of your things secret with anyone. Like sometimes people does this,
Yeah.
like they usually share their story
Yeah. And
with everyone.
yes. And
Sometimes for get some sympathy also. Like if I share with everyone, then people start giving sympathy. Oh, yeah, okay, it's okay, no problem, everything will be fine. But it's not happened actually.
mm,